Hello everyone, I am Madhavi, working as an assistant professor in chemistry in H&S department in WITS college. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, orbital. What is orbital? The finding space. The maximum finding space is called orbital. Orbit means the electrons revolve around the nucleus path. Orbital is different. The orbital is the maximum electrons. The probability, the region space is finding probability is called orbital. This orbital is again four types: s orbital, p orbital and d orbital, and last one is f orbital. Okay, this is the shape of orbitals. Shape of orbitals is first one is s orbital, is very important. Okay, this s orbital is spherical shape. This is the spherical shape. Okay, this is spherical shape. Then this s orbital is the only one orientation. S orbital is only one orientation. Okay, this is the only one orientation is because of the L equal to azimuthal quantum numbers. The quantum numbers is four types: principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number. Now this one azimuthal quantum number is L equal to 0, L equal to S equal to 0. L value is 0. Okay, this is 2L plus 1, this is the formula. Okay, this 2L plus 1, these values is substituted in this formula. Okay, this 2L, this L value, the s orbital value is 0. 2 into 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Only one orientation. The finding is the electron is all directions. The probability of the electron is revolving in the all directions. That is a s orbital. Okay, this is the shape of s orbital, is spherical shape. Okay, or circular shape. This is the spherical shape. Okay, and next one is p orbital. Okay, this p orbital is dumbbell shape. P orbital is dumbbell shape. Okay, this p orbital is dumbbell shape, is formula is 2L plus 1. This is the L value is 1. Okay, L value is azimuthal quantum number, p value is 1. Okay, this is the 2L plus 1. This is the formula. Okay, this 2L plus 1 is L value is substituted. 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2 and plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 subshells. Okay, students, p orbital is a dumbbell shape. Okay, the dumbbell shape is a L value is 1. These L values is substituted in this formula. 2L plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1. This is the 3 orientation. This is the 3 subshells. 3 subshells means Px, Py, Pz. Then this is the subshells Px, Py, Pz. Okay, this shape is the dumbbell shape. This shape is dumbbell shape. This is the ps orbital, is the 2 lobes here. This is the 2 lobes. This is the 1 lobe. This is another lobe. 2 lobes. Okay, these 2 lobes is the px. Okay, and y, z. This nodal plane is y and z. That is the px. And the next one is the py orbital. Okay, this is these lobes on the y axis. These 2 lobes on the y axis. That's why py orbital. And the next one, last one is the pz orbital. This pz orbitals is these 2 lobes on the z axis. This is the y and x is the nodal planes. Okay, this is the pz orbital. Okay, understand? All of you listen. This is the ps orbital, py orbital, pz. This is the subshells. This all are p orbital. This is the p orbital. But this is shells px, py, pz. Okay, these px, py shapes. The ps is these two lobes on the px, and next is py orbital is these two lobes on the y-axis, and next pz orbital is these two lobes on the z-axis. Okay, draw the, this is the px, py, pz. Okay, this is the p orbital. Okay, and the next one is d orbital. Okay, this d orbital is L value is 2. Okay, these two values, this L value is 2, this formula is 2L plus 1. Okay, this L value is 2 into 2 plus 1, this is the 4 plus 1 is 5 orientations. Okay, this is double dumbbell shape. Okay, this is the double dumbbell shape. This one p dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. This is the 5 orientations. This 5 orientation is 3 orientation, 3 subshells, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square and dz square. Okay, these subshells is filling the 10 electrons. Each subshell is 2 electrons. D subshells is filled 10 electrons. P subshell is filled 6 electrons. And S orbital is subshell is 2 electrons. This is the S orbital. This is the p orbital. That is a d orbital. D orbital is 5 orientation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then shape. Double dumbbell shape. This double dumbbell shape is the 4 lobes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double dumbbell shape. Okay. dxy. Okay. These 4 lobes on the x and y axis. These 4 lobes. Okay. And the next one dyz. Dyz also yz. These 4 lobes on the yz axis. And the next one is dzx. This is the 4 lobes on the xz. That's why dzx. 4 lobes. Between the, sorry. This is the dxy is the between the axis. Between the axis. Okay. This is between the axis. Okay. And the next one is dx square and fourth lobe. This is the 5th one. Okay. dx square minus and y square is these 4 lobes 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 lobes on in the axis. In the axis. That's why this is the x axis. This is axis. dx square and dy square. Okay. dx square and y square in the axis. Okay. That is why dx square minus y square. And next last one is dz square. Okay. dz square is, this is the 4 lobes, is the 2 lobes is z axis. Okay. This is the perpendicular lobes. These perpendicular lobes is the z axis is a ring shaped. X, Y, Z. The Z axis is ring shaped. Okay. This is the dz square. Okay. This is the S orbital, P orbital and D orbital. S orbital is a spherical shape. P orbital is dumbbell shape. And D orbital is double dumbbell shape. Okay. Aufbau principle. Okay. Aufbau principle is Aufbau. Aufbau means building up or filling up. Okay. Aufbau means is building up or filling up. Then definition is electrons enters into orbitals in the increasing order of their energy. The increasing order of their energy. Then Euler diagram. Do you know that Euler diagram? This is the 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. This is the increasing order of the energy. Okay. And the next one is 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. This is the, and next one is 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d. Okay, and next one is 4f, 5f. Okay, this is the Euler diagram. This Euler diagram is different orbitals, s orbital, p orbital and d orbital and f orbitals also. Okay, these orbitals is increasing order of their energy. This is the increasing, first filled with the 1s orbital, and second 2s, and third 2p, 3s, and next 3p, 4s, and next 3d, 4p, 5s, and next one is 4d, 5p, 6s, and next 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, and last one is 5f, 6d, 7p, 8s. Okay, this is increasing order. This is increasing order. This is the filling. Okay, first fill the 1s orbital, 2s, next 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 5s. Okay, this is the increasing. This is the highest energy is the 8s. Lowest energy is 1s. Okay, that means that this means electrons occupy the lowest energy orbital is first. This is the lowest orbital. This is the lowest orbital is first filled. Okay, this is the Euler diagram. Okay, this Euler diagram, and next one, for example, this was 3d and 4s. This is the 3d and 4s. Okay, this is the, and next one, these 3d and 4s orbitals is the value, the formula is n plus l value. The above formula is n plus l value. N equal to principal quantum number. N equal to principal quantum number. This principal quantum number is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. L equal to azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number. This azimuthal quantum number, L value is s equal to 0, L value is d equal to 1, L value p equal to 2, and L value f equal to 3. Okay, these value 1s, 2s, 3s, 3d, 4d, 5d, 5f, 6s. Okay, this is the 3d. This 3d is the principal quantum number. This is the azimuthal quantum number. N value is 3. L value d equal to d equal to 2, p equal to 1. Okay, sorry, mistake. This is the d equal to 2 and p equal to 1. This L value d equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, this is the 5 electrons in 3d orbital, and 4s electrons is, this value is substituted for n plus L value 4, s value is 0. This is the 4 electron. This is the lowest energy is with 4s. 4s is a lowest energy. So, it is filled before 3d orbital. This is the above principle. Okay, this is the above principle. Above principle is electrons enter orbitals in the increasing order of, this is the increasing order of energy. That means the orbital is first, lowest energy is filled first. Okay, that is the above principle.